Many people, they are doing this technique because of they can not touch the heel on the floor. That's why we need to work with these two techniques to improve our hamstring flexibility to touch the heel to the floor. So how we can do that? This is the technique we're going to show you right now. Hey everyone, Namaste, this is Guru Dharm and Crew Phone. So in this class we're going to learn how to do mountain pose. If you have problem with touching the heel on the floor during the mountain pose, so this video is very good for you. But before we start the class, I would like to request you, if you didn't subscribe the channel or didn't follow my page, please feel free to share, because this is live education challenge. So in this channel we're going to share only the video, only the education that useful for you, useful for the all yoga community. So our quality is the work very well, because we will love the quality. If we love quality, we would like to give you the quality same. So let's begin the class. So in this class, as I already told you, we have to learn how to do mountain pose. If some beginners or some people has a problem to touch the heel on the floor, so Crew Phone, she will help you to demonstrate, and I will explain you how to do. But however, before perform the mountain pose or before start the sun, moon and Bhujanga Namaskar sequence, we need to do some very useful warm up techniques. So here in this class, Crew Phone and I will gonna show you. So as we start the mountain, we have to work little bit foundational technique, that is we called warm up technique. So open your legs as much you feel comfortable. So open your hands, inhale, exhale, and we can move our hands to the feet. So this is a technique. When you go down, inhale, exhale, up, inhale and exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. So whenever you're following your breath in and out and moving your body, remember, minimum we can do 10 times, maximum we can do 30 times. So however, it depends on our body strength. This technique is very important. Don't do so faster, otherwise you will get dizzy or you might get problem. We have to remember how is our hamstring is stretching in this posture. So this is a technique number one. Technique number two is horse riding pose, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Okay, so whenever we start the Ashwa Sanchalan Asana, we always try to stretch with one leg first. So first step is try to extend the knee behind, try to lock your knee behind and contract the core muscle and slowly move your hip up and down. Just try as much you feel comfortable. Okay, so this is, we just try our best, and remember, whenever you are holding here, so knee down, foot down and come up, interlock your fingers and palm on your knee and try to move your pelvic up and down. Just try your best, maybe 30 seconds or maybe 1 minute. So it depends on our body strength. However, we have done one side, we have to do it second leg. So if you want to change the second leg, then you can change anyhow wherever you want. Step forward or back to the mountain. So once we have changed, we are practicing the same technique with the second leg, because it's very important. Whenever you are practicing with one side of the body, then other side of the body is very important to follow. Otherwise, we have no body strength equally. So both sides of the body, left and the right, we need improve the flexibility. That's why we need to follow the same technique, same asana, both sides is important. Okay, however, we have done this second technique. Now we start the technique number 3, back to the mountain. So once we are in the mountain, many people, they are doing this technique because of they can not touch the heel on the floor. That's why we need to work with these two techniques to improve our hamstring flexibility to touch the heel to the floor. So how we can do that? This is the technique we're going to show you right now. Knee down, stretch the one hamstring, try to touch the heel on the floor, and then switch. When you switch, remember, when you switch, you have to bring your head up. When you switch, bring head up and head down. Head up and head down. Spring technique we called walking mountain. Walking mountain. Just try to stretch one by one hamstring. If in case you are touch your heel at the floor, one heel can touch. But if it still cannot touch, you will just try this technique. So later on you can see you can touch the both heels on the floor. So once you have done this technique, then try to stretch both hamstring, both knees straight, and slowly down and up. Heel up and heel down. Heel up and heel down. Remember, activate your fingers. Otherwise you cannot improve your body weight. So you will feel your wrist pain. So better we have to activate the finger, contract the core muscle, and try to move your heel down. That is the very important. Once you have done this technique, then slowly, if you feel tired, then maybe you bend your knees, go to the child pose, balasana, and take a rest. And after 1 minute taking rest, then you can try second round and then try third round. So 3 to 5 round we can practice in this posture. Once we're done, so we sit comfortable, we stay here for a while, and also you can do the second asana or the sun, moon or Bhujanga Namaskar sequence. You can start. So this is the overall information for our posture that we have learned today, and I hope you understand the sequence. And remember, comment section is yours. So feel free to let us know by comment. So if you like this class, feel free to share. And that is very important, because if you will practice the postures, if you will practice the asana, if you love yoga, you must know original traditional yoga style. That is, we are working for our yoga community. If you are following us, that is your responsibility to take care of yourself, to take care of your body, and do not force anytime, any place. Whenever we do practice, we practice with our spirit, we practice with our motivation, we practice with our inspiration, self-inspiration. So see you in the next video, and feel free to like, comment and share. Bye bye.